Want to keep the young people in your life safe? Please take a minute to talk to them about why they should stay away from our electricity network. Ensure they know not to fly drones and kites, kick balls, go fishing, or release fireworks or balloons near overhead power lines or substations. Explain that electricity can jump gaps, so they must never go near, try to touch or climb poles, pylons or substations. If they need something retrieved or there's an electricity emergency, ensure they know to call 105 and speak to Northern Powergrid, as we manage the network that powers your life. Keeping you and the communities we power safe is our top priority. Our teams are highly trained and have special equipment, so we're the only people who should be near substations, underground cables and overhead lines. Together, let's ensure future generations play safe, stay safe, and are ready for the world around them. Visit northernpowergrid.com to download free education resources or request a free safety talk. Northern Powergrid, powering our lives.